Ladies, place your hands on your knees. Now, sink in your back. Take your time and look on the man while you're wiping. You ready?